Microwave brownie pots for 2, baked and ready in 5 minutes? Yes please, perfect, quick and easy, delicious dessert for 2 for any occasion. Who doesn't love a brownie? Check out the ingredients here, they're also below. To start with, add your flour, sugar and cocoa powder and whisk together. Water. Add your veg oil and whisk again. Once whisked, add the chocolate chips and mix again. Once all mixed evenly, portion between the 2 ramekins evenly. Cook in the microwave for about 120 to 150 seconds. You can judge for yourself whether they need to be in for a little bit longer, but also don't leave them in too long as you don't want them to dry out. Once cooked, grab a spoon, grab some ice cream and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you've given these a go, whether you like them. Microwave brownies, still as delicious as a normal brownie. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Who doesn't love a brownie?